at this weather. I want to sleep so bad. No, 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 we gotta work. Maybe let's put some good music.
1 hour later.
Worth it. Baby, I'm worth it. I'm worth it. Give me, I'm worth it.
Oh, I think I have online classes right now.
All right, so today we're going to talk just a little bit about implicit differentiation.
In what language is he speaking? Is this English? Wouldn't some popcorn and a movie be nice?
Good choice, Anthony. You like that choice. You like it.
Oh no, I've got to complete this assignment.
Bang back. Shit. Did you feel that? No, ain't no problem. It's just. Got it? I do that thing like, they do that. You know what? Can you do it?
Okay, I've got 3 hours before the deadline. Let's complete that. Hey, you know what? This weather is perfect for a good nap. We can do the work later. Let's go to bed.
Six and a half hours later.
Oh God, my assignment deadline. I'm so done.